And they shot out the tire.
Oh, that's what he was doing then. Gamers, dude. I don't know who would ever think about doing that. That's just toxic.
I never do it.
Dude, when I started playing this game full time, like, or when I started streaming it, that's all I would do. Like, if I'm rotating, I'm shooting out tires on the way. Then they gotta walk, you know?
Yeah, but if they're walking, then you ain't getting the
I
kills.
know. But at that point, it was like leaderboard grind, right? So, like, it's all about getting the placements.
Oh, I see. Yeah, back when that was functional.
Mm. All right, I got enough meds. I got 6 first aids. You need any?
No, I actually have everything. Maybe
Just need to get a
boost
2
is
helmet.
insane.
Boost, I'm 1-4. I can give you a couple.
I'm 1-2. I'm okay for now.
Okay, I'm gonna check the other prison building, the one like we landed at, but the opposite side.
Okay, all right. I'm staying here.
Yeah, 518, dude. The original 518 back in the day. I've been a Logitech fanboy. I had the Logitech 301. That was my favorite early on gaming mouse. And then I went to the 518, loved it. And then I went to the G5. And then I don't know what I went to after that, actually. Give me a 2 helmet. All right, no helmet. How many tires did they shoot out? Did they shoot out like all of them?
Just one. But it was the back rear tire.
Oh, then they're not smart because it's front wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
They will be on the bridge though, so I only have a level 1 helmet.
Dudes. Oh, I thought they shot him out.
They're gonna be there though. You know they're camping it.
Yeah.
Still in. Want your own? You should take your own. I've been knocked twice, but we should be split.
Oh, you
Like
just
on the